In today's video, I'm going to teach you make your Lovable app work inside ChatGPT step by step with MCP setup. To get started, head over to Lovable and sign into your account. From there, either create a new project or open an existing one that you want to use inside ChatGPT. Before doing anything else, make sure your app is working properly. Test it thoroughly and confirm that the core features behave the way you expect. This part matters because only published apps can expose MCP tools through agent integrations. Once you're confident everything is ready, go ahead and publish the app. After your app is published, open that published project and navigate to agent integrations. Turn this feature on. When you enable it, Lovable analyzes your application and automatically generates MCP tools based on what your app can do. In other words, it creates the actions that AI assistants like ChatGPT may be able to use later. Next, take a moment to review those generated MCP tools carefully. Go through each one and make sure it represents functionality you actually want to expose. If there are tools you do not want AI assistants to access, remove them. Also verify the tool descriptions and permissions so everything is accurate and limited to the right scope. When you're done, save your changes. This review step is important because it helps you control exactly what ChatGPT can access in your app. If you changed either the app itself or the MCP tool configuration, publish again, or choose update if the app is already live. Then wait for the deployment to finish. Lovable will automatically update the hosted MCP server so it matches the latest published version of your app. Once agent integrations are enabled, find your app's MCP connection details. Typically, this includes the MCP server endpoint or connection URL, any OAuth authentication details if they're required, and any connection instructions Lovable provides. Keep these details ready because you'll need them in ChatGPT. Now switch over to ChatGPT. If your workspace supports custom MCP connectors, open settings or connectors and choose the option to add an MCP server. Enter the MCP server details from Lovable, save the connection, and complete the OAuth sign-in if prompted. After that, ChatGPT should be able to discover the tools your Lovable app exposes. To test everything, start a new conversation in ChatGPT and ask it to perform a task your app supports, like creating a new customer, searching open support tickets, generating a monthly sales report, or submitting a reimbursement request. If everything is configured correctly, ChatGPT will automatically choose the right MCP tool and run it. Finally, whenever you update your app, repeat the same maintenance flow. Make your changes, review any updated MCP tools, and